In a world on the brink of a new dawn, where technology and sport converge to create a tapestry of unity and progress, there stands a visionary at the forefront of this transformation. Evan Almquist, CEO of LuminaTech, embodies the spirit of innovation and the dream of a globally connected future. His journey is not just one of technological advancement, but of hope, determination, and the relentless pursuit of a world brought together through the power of sport and digital innovation. Evan's story is one of ambition, fueled by the desire to make a difference, to bridge divides and inspire a generation to see beyond the limits of the present and into the possibilities of the future. Under his leadership, LuminaTech has emerged as a beacon of progress, pioneering technologies that enhance the way we experience and share in the universal language of sport. But who is Evan Almquist? A leader, an innovator, a dreamer, a man whose vision for LuminaTech goes beyond mere technological breakthroughs, aiming to foster a world where every heartbeat, every cheer, every triumph, and every defeat is shared, creating a bond that transcends borders and cultures. Behind every visionary leader lies a team of exceptional individuals, each with their own unique set of skills and dedication to innovation. At LuminaTech, Evan Almquist is supported by a cadre of experts, instrumental in shaping the future of technology and sport. Meet Lena, Marco, and Alex, three pillars of LuminaTech's success. Lena, our cybersecurity maestro, guards the digital frontier with a background in ethical hacking and network defense. Lena ensures that LuminaTech's innovations remain secure and resilient against threats. Her expertise not only protects the company's data, but also ensures that millions of users around the globe can safely enjoy the fruits of LuminaTech's technological advancements. Marco, the AI architect, is the mind behind LuminaTech's artificial intelligence breakthroughs. From developing algorithms that enhance athletic performance to crafting virtual reality experiences that bring sports fans together, Marco's work is at the heart of LuminaTech's mission to blend technology with the spirit of sport. His innovations are a game changer, redefining what's possible in the realm of sports technology. And then there's Alex, LuminaTech's legal eagle. In an ever-evolving landscape of technology and sports, Alex ensures that LuminaTech stays ahead of the curve on legal matters, from intellectual property rights to international partnerships. Alex's sharp legal acumen ensures that LuminaTech not only innovates, but does so within the complex tapestry of global regulations. Together, Lena, Marco, and Alex form an unbeatable team, each an expert in their field, working in concert to realize Evan's vision of a world united through technology and sport. Their skills, passion, and dedication are the backbone of LuminaTech, driving the company towards a future where every technological breakthrough is a step towards global unity. This is the team behind the vision, behind the innovation. This is Evan's team at LuminaTech, a group of dreamers, thinkers, and doers, united in their quest to change the world, one innovation at a time. Leadership is not a mantle one simply decides to wear. It's a tapestry woven from the threads of trust, courage, and the wisdom to listen. I've learned that a leader is not one who walks ahead, but one who walks alongside. And every step taken, every decision made was a lesson in humility and strength. As we stand on the brink of a new day, I see not an end but a beginning. Our journey has shown us the power of unity, the importance of ethics, and the boundless potential of technology when guided by a compassionate hand. We step into the dawn, not just as explorers of the unknown, but as guardians of the new world we help shape. Join us as we embark on a journey into the heart of this visionary's dream. Welcome to the story of Evan Almquist and LuminaTech, where every innovation is a step towards a world united by love of sport and the possibilities of technology.